Welcome to USA Biker, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, specs, and everything two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary sport bikes ever built, the Suzuki Hayabusa. A name that has ruled the streets for decades, the Hayabusa isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, speed, and engineering excellence. The Suzuki Hayabusa is powered by a massive 1,340cc inline-4 engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and a top speed that has made it one of the fastest production motorcycles in history. With 187 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque, this beast offers an unparalleled riding experience. But it's not just about raw power. Suzuki has refined the Hayabusa over the years to ensure it provides exceptional handling, stability, and rider comfort. The latest generation comes equipped with an advanced electronic suite, including multiple riding modes, a 6-axis IMU, traction control, and a bidirectional quick shifter, making it more versatile than ever. The design of the Hayabusa is iconic, featuring an aerodynamic silhouette that reduces drag and enhances high-speed stability. Its aggressive front fascia, sculpted fuel tank, and sleek tail section give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The LED lighting system not only adds a modern touch but also improves visibility during night rides. Suzuki has also upgraded the suspension with KYB fully adjustable forks and a Brembo braking system, ensuring top-notch control and stopping power. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Hayabusa is its balance between performance and comfort. Unlike many other hypersport motorcycles, it's designed for both high-speed thrills and long-distance touring. The ergonomic seating position, wider handlebars, and improved aerodynamics allow riders to enjoy extended journeys without excessive fatigue. The instrument cluster blends analog and digital elements, providing all necessary ride data with a classic yet futuristic look. Over the years, the Hayabusa has built a cult following, becoming a symbol of speed and dominance in the motorcycle world. Whether you're a professional rider, a speed enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates fine engineering, this machine offers an unmatched experience. If you're considering adding a Hayabusa to your garage, the latest model continues to push the boundaries of performance while maintaining the legendary DNA that riders love. That's all for today's in-depth look at the Suzuki Hayabusa. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to USA Biker for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Hayabusa or which bike you'd like us to review next. Ride safe and keep chasing the thrill.